Shorthand English Junior, June 1985. Start. Mr. Speaker, Sir, I am very glad to offer my views on the draft plan. As far as I have understood, the plan has been prepared carefully, taking into consideration all the factors that are necessary for its implementation. There may be difference of opinion with regard to the framework of the plan. Instead of wasting our time in such discussions, it would be better to act in a way as to get good out of it. I feel happy that a few heavy industries have been proposed in the plan. In this connection, I wish to urge upon the government to see that at least two heavy industries are located in this state during this plan period. As far as possible, the needs of the state must be met with the available resources and manpower in the state. In my opinion, local people should be prepared for both skilled and unskilled jobs. Industrial training institutes have to be opened in centrally situated places. It is also very necessary that the laborers must be kept in very healthy condition. On this aspect, I will have to state that we must spend more on the preventive side rather than on the curative side. I therefore suggest that there must be a regular health survey in all industrial houses. The next point I wish to point out is with regard to food position. There may be satisfaction on the qualitative aspect because of the good rice and oilseeds production. However, there cannot be room for satisfaction at all in the qualitative aspect. The quality of food is becoming worse day by day. The public health department must take serious steps to improve the quality of food products. Strict enforcement of rules must be ensured to check adulteration. I have very often invited the attention of the government to the fact that in most of the village the farmers were able to use the electricity only for a few hours for their pump sets. It would be better to discover the possibility of starting small scale power generation units in rural areas so as to provide assured and continued power supply to farmers. This will not only help to increase food production but also develop small scale industries. As regards improving the financial position of the state, the Honorable Leader of the House has indicated that taxation is the only method. Letter dated 20th August 1984 from City Real Estates, Madras to Messrs. Swati Agencies, Belur. Dear Sirs, We have come to understand that you are proposing to buy some house property at Madras. If this is so, we shall be pleased to help you to find a suitable house for your purpose. If you could write to us about your requirement and the financial limitation, we hope we will be able to locate a house to suit your budget. For your information, we wish to enclose here with a list of properties which are available for immediate sale. We wish to impress upon you that we are experienced in this field during the last 20 years, and this brings us in touch with just the right people for your purpose. Please keep trust in us. We shall surely entrust you with a good property. We look forward to receive an early reply from you in the matter. Yours faithfully.